Holy shit. I'm recording. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh. Woo! Yeah. That is insane. Look at that. That looks like Alaska. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Where are we going? To the board? Ah! Holy fuck. Ah! Dude, what the fuck?
I don't know what's going on, dude.
Let's go inside. Oh, fuck. Holy shit.
Whoa.
Dude, that was like, oh.
Dude, Cam.
Oh my.
Shut that door.
Okay.
Cam.
Dude.
Dude, fucking me and Jorge are like.
We almost got dragged.
Dude, like the wind was like fucking knocking us over. Like dude, I
Yeah,
had to grab
we had to
fucking
grab it.
Jorge. Like, dude, I was starting to think like a fucking tornado was gonna sweep me up. Like, dude, it was bad, man.
Like a snow tornado.
Dude.
I was outside, I was just like, oh.
Like,
Just hear that.
dude. Like, I seriously.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Woo! Dude, the door just opened itself. Oh my god.
You wanted to see.
Dude.
Shit.
This is like below zero, right? Holy fuck. Just listen to that. That is insane. Woo! What?
I'll be right there.
Uh.
Yeah, dude. You don't mind if I wear your shoes, do I?